Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation, guys, from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those and you need to find where the SRS light fuses are located, you have two fuses. This means SRS is the restraint system, guys. Okay, so that's practically the airbag system. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, do not remove fuses, do not work on them because they can kill you. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video, guys. Now, for any of you that are qualified to work on airbag system, just a quick reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before working on it or removing a fuse. That way you can minimize the chance for something bad to happen. Another thing, on these new vehicles, guys, it's important to know which battery terminal you need to disconnect first, reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can practically burn modules, computers. How we know about that? We burn module, guys, on a Mercedes that cost $2,000. That was back in the day, quite a bit of money. Now, we'll explain where the fuse is located. Two of them actually, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses. Realize that way you don't waste your money. So here we're going to demonstrate where the airbag light fuses, SRS light fuses, are located on a 2010 Honda Accord. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes, but luckily enough we'll work in just one of them. And if you come on the inside, on the driver's side, under the dash, guys, if you look all the way up under the dash, above the pedals, kind of like on the left side, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box that looks just like this one right here. That's the layout. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, what we need to check, next to the fuses, conveniently they put fuse numbers. Okay, so that makes it really easy. The first fuse that we'll need to check for the airbag SRS light, we're talking about that fuse number 11. It's a 10 amp fuse, okay, right here. And then you need to check fuse number 12. It's 7.5 amp fuse. These two fuses are for the airbag system, module and occupant detection system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.